In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Facebook accounts without providing your original phone number and email address. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. As you can see right now that I am on the sign up page of Facebook. So click on this option which says create new Facebook account. Click on next. Enter your full name and then click on next. Now enter your date of birth. Click on next. Select your gender and click on next. Now it's asking you to enter your mobile number, but what you have to do is to click on this option which says sign up with email address. Now in order to get the email address, you need to open your internet browser and in the search bar you need to type tempmail, TEMPMAIL. Click on this first link right here. It's saying that your temporary email address is loading, so please wait. Once the email address is created, click on this copy option, go back to Facebook and paste the email address here. Click on next. Now create a password for your Facebook account. And once you have created the password, click on the sign up option. Wait for a few moments now. Now a confirmation code is sent to your email address. So in order to get the confirmation code, go back to your internet browser, scroll down, and in this inbox section you will see the confirmation code is received, which is 56436. Once you have entered the confirmation code, click on confirm, and that's it. Your Facebook account is now created without your original email address and phone number. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.